The cheetah is the fastest land animal on the planet, but how fast can it go? And why can't it just run faster if it needs to? What's with all that excess skin? All will be revealed. You think the cheetah is fast now? It used to be even faster. Fossil evidence suggests that 10 million years ago, the cheetah could run at 80 miles per hour. It's almost twice as fast as Usain Bolt. But over time, the cheetah's top speed has decreased to around 68 to 75 miles per hour, possibly due to a lack of natural selection pressure from predators. See, when there are no predators around to run after you, you don't need to be very fast. But even though we've lost some of our speedy cheetah abilities, we still have a lot more in common with cheetahs than you might think. For example, you and a cheetah can both run at about 12 miles per hour. That's about the same as your average human. Once you get up to a good running pace, your body stays fairly rigid to reduce air resistance. The cheetah, however, maintains a flexible body while running at top speed, allowing it to swerve at the last minute to catch prey or avoid an obstacle. To make that big swerve, the cheetah needs a lot of leverage, which is why it has that extra skin. The way the cheetah's body works, its shoulders and hips have to be pretty far apart for efficient movement. But then when it runs, those shoulders and hips move forward, bringing its center of mass over its feet. To counterbalance that, the cheetah takes in a huge amount of air through its nostrils, almost like we take a big breath before a long jump. This air rushes over its tongue, which is covered with tiny backward-facing spines. The air hitting these spines creates suction, which along with the cheetah's flexible spine and loose skin, allows it to maintain its balance as it changes direction. But after a big maneuver like that, the cheetah needs to get its heart rate back down, so it does something kind of weird. It basically poops its pants. No, not really. It releases a hormone called adrenaline, which increases its heart rate so much that it actually makes its heart physically smaller. Yep, the cheetah literally shrinks its heart to slow its heart rate down. And speaking of weird things cheetahs do, they also purr, just like cats. They purr when they're happy, but also when they're stressed or in pain, kind of like us humans. Now you know everything there is to know about cheetahs. Almost. We didn't talk about their spots, which are super important for camouflage, or the fact that they can't purr while running. If you want to learn more about cheetahs, stay tuned.